Hello, welcome to Previous the Tutor. In this video, we'll be looking at index notation, mathematics, paper 1 type. Question 1 says, evaluate each of the following. So A, we have 5 power 0 plus 5 to the power 1. Anything to the power 0 except anything to the power 0 up will give you 1. So we have what we have here is just 1 plus. And 5 to the power 1 just means 5. So here you have 6 as your answer. Then B, we have something that says 2 over 3 to the power 0 times 2 over 3 to the power negative 2. What you have here is just 1, remember, times. Then what you have here, right? Any index like this, for example, to the power negative 1, this will just give you 1 over a. If you have a to the power negative 2, this will give you 1 over a squared down. So what you have here is just, now this you need to now to expand it. What you have is 2 to the power negative 2 over 3 to the power negative. This is what you have here. So this will say 1 times, now remember 2 to the power negative 2 is the same as 1 over 2 squared divided by, here is the same as 1 over 3 what? Over 3 squared. Then we go on, we have 1 times 1 over 2 squared is 4. Now remember we are dividing, so you change the sign. 3 squared is 9 over 1. So what we have is 1 times 9. That will give you 9 here. And this will give you 4 as your answer. Then C says evaluate for, says evaluate, there's 4 there, then there's 16 here. What this means is you are finding the square root of 16. Then, you are finding the fourth root of 16. So this is the same as 16 to the power 1 over 4. And this means you are looking for a number which you can raise to the power 4 to give you 16, what is inside. So we have any number, a number that you can raise to the power 4 to give you 16. That's 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 give you 16. Then you can cancel there and there. So the answer here becomes 2. So the fourth root of 16 is actually 2. Then D, we have square root of 4. Square root of 4, is 2. Now, you know that yes is 2. How do you prove that? What this means is, this means 4 to the power 1 over 2. You're looking for a number you can raise to the power 2 to give you 4. Is 2 to the power 2 and 1 over 2. Then you cancel there and there, and you have 2. That's how come we are saying 2 is the square root of 4. Then we have question 2. So I've just been picking. Question 2 says 8 to the power 1 times 8 to the power negative 2. 8 to the power 1 just 8. 8 to the power negative 2 is the same as 1 over 8 squared. Okay, so you have 8 times 1 over 64. Then 8 times 1 you get 8 over 64. So give you 1 over 8 into 64 actually will give you 8. So the answer is 1 over 8. What else can I pick? Something challenging. Let's pick C here, which says 8 z to the power 3 divided by 4 z to the power 4. Now this what we have to know, that this just the same as z to the power 3 times z. Okay, times 1 over 4 z to the power 4. Okay, now we know 4 can go into 1, 4 can go into 8 2 times. Here you have 3 z's, here you have 4 z's. So automatically 1 z will remain here. So you have 2 times 1, you have 2. And here you have 1 times z, which is, so the answer is 2 over z. What else can I solve? Let me solve this one here. D says 27 to the power 1 over 3 times 27. Remember, 27 to the power 1 over 3. This means you're looking for a number you can raise to the power 3 to give you 27. So you're saying the number that we can raise to the power 3 to give us 27 is actually 3 to the power 3. So now we are breaking 27 into its power. So 1 over 3 times 27. So you cancel there and there you cancel. So what will remain is 3 to the power 1. Now 3 to the power 1 just the same as 3. So we have 27 here. So 3 times 7 you get 21 remainder 2. And 3 times 2 is 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 you get 81. Is it? Yes, you get 81. Let's look at 4, which says solve the equation. We have A says x squared, x is 0, sorry, plus x squared is equal to 5. Now remember what you have here. Anything to the power 0 is 1. You're saying 1 plus x squared is equal to 5. So x squared is equal to 5. This will go the other side, so it becomes negative 1. So what we have here is x squared is equal to 4. So to find the value of x, you know what to do? You divide both sides by, not divide but you square. So square root and there is square root. So this and this, they're just the same, so they're going to cancel. So x will be equal to the square root of 4 is 2. So your answer is positive or minus 2. Then we have B, which says find the value of x when this is equal to this. These are indices. So whatever you have here, you must also have the same base here. So if I have 4 to the power x, I must have 4 here as well. Now what number can I, now if I need to have 4 here, that means it should be able to give me 16. So I'll say 4 squared is the same as 16. So I can cancel this 4 and that 4, then I say this is equal to that. I have x is equal to 2. Let me solve the D. D says 2 to the power 2x minus 1, which is equal to 16 to the power negative 2x. Whatever is here is what I must have this side. So I have 2x minus 1, which is equal to. So if I have to have 2 here, I must be able to find the power of 2 that will be able to give me 16, and that is 4. Remember, I have another power already, so it becomes like that. So I'll cancel this and this so that I can remain with 2x minus 1 is equal to 4 negative 2x. So this will be 2x minus 1, which is equal to 4 times negative 2, get negative what? 8x. So now I can correct the terms. 2x, this one will go the other side, it becomes positive 8x. So when go the other side, becomes positive 1. This 10x is equal to 1 over 10 over 10. So x is equal to 1 over 10. So these are some of the indices that you can find, try to work out. So there are a lot here, so I'm sure you can see them. At your own free time, please, you can pause the video, then be able to watch this. Alright, so you can pause the video and then try to solve one or two things. So I'm just trying to remind you. Right, so I'm PDS the tutor. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to my YouTube channel.